seaside residential enclave here in La Ia, San Juan. It is designed as a more secluded and exclusive alternative to the bustling seaside district, focusing on nature-integrated luxury and long-term investment potential. So this is why it's called Premier District, because it's more premier than our seaside district, which is right across the street, and something we all invite you guys to explore later on. So we will be taking you on a tour of the three main amenities of the Premier District. First, we have the lifestyle hubs, including the sports hub, which is right across if you look out the window, and this beautifully designed multi-function events hub for active and social living. Second, the urbanized forest trail and perimeter eco trail, and for hiking and relaxation, the nature trails. Last but definitely not the least, we have the linear pool, 233 meters long with diversified features catering to users and swimmers of all ages. So these amenities are available exclusively for residents and guests of this very limited residential area. And the owners can build their very own luxury villas tailored to how they envision a life on vacation that can double as their private retreats or income-generating bed and breakfasts. So truly, so much to be excited about and look forward to formally welcome all of you to this premier development of Landco. Let's please call on stage and welcome our Chief Financial Officer, Ms. Maricris Aldever.
Thank you, Janine. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Landco, it is my pleasure to warmly welcome all of you, our valued guests and VIPs to Club La Ia. Most especially, of course, our partners from Aplaya La Ia Corporation, Mrs. Eileen Young, Chairman of the Board, Mr. Neil C., President. Once again, thank you for taking the time to be with us today. Your presence truly makes this occasion more special. At Landco, we've always believed in creating destinations that go beyond the ordinary. Places where people don't just visit, but truly live. This is what we call life on vacation. A lifestyle where every day feels lighter, more meaningful, and more connected to what truly matters. Club La Ia Premier District is a reflection of that vision. What started as a dream of a premier seaside destination continues to grow into a vibrant and evolving community, and we are just getting started. With every new development, we are committed to enhancing the experience so that life on vacation is not just a concept, but something that you can enjoy every single day. Today, we are proud to highlight the amenities of Club La Ia Premier District. As you can see in this beautiful events hub, this is really designed for life celebrations, whether it's milestones, gatherings, or just simple moments worth remembering. And of course, our sports hub, just right across. It is an area where active and balanced living can happen with an indoor gym, basketball court, pickleball courts, basically spaces that bring energy, wellness, and community together. And of course, our 233-meter linear pool and our 550-meter scenic eco trail offer places to unwind, recharge, and reconnect with nature and with one another. These spaces are thoughtfully designed to bring life on vacation to life, where relaxation, recreation, and connection come together seamlessly. So once again, to our partners and stakeholders, thank you for your continued trust and support. And to our future residents of Club La Ia, we are excited to welcome you to a community where every day feels like a getaway. Once again, thank you for being a part of this special milestone. Enjoy the rest of your day and welcome to Life on Vacation.